Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a failed triple top, actually a quadruple top pattern here on the Russell. So we just got filled in short here. Let's get our stop placed just above the highs here. We're going to place a stop for 3 contracts, which is how many contracts we're short, and then we're looking for a final target just at the size of this candle here. Not going for a big one this time just because of the move that we've had higher. Not really expecting this to come much farther down than that. We should be revisiting these lows, but in the same regard, I mean, with this gigantic burst in volume that pushed us all the way up from these lows, I'm not expecting this to come down all in one straight shot. Chances are we're going to come down to about, honestly, where our target is, bounce a little bit higher, and then come down and give it another attempt to go down back to those lows, possibly from there break down to new lows and then maybe trend a little bit further down. Now, looking at this trade, the reason I like this trade so much is we're coming into an area that has been rejected several times before. Looking at the overall price action that we had our top that formed here, and you can see they held it for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes all right in that same area. They came back and tested it again, failed another test, and then immediately failed straight down. And that rejection candle is the one that really caught our attention there. And you can see they're having that immediate rejection again. We actually just got our target filled there. So let's add our trade on here so we can see what's going on. And we just got filled down here at 1181.6. Barely even had time to explain why I like the trade. But I mean, the price action is really supporting this area here. We had this very, very strong rejection from there. And this is the candle that we really, really like right there. Very bearish trend to it. Just a huge candle in comparison to the rest of the consolidation kind of chop that we had here. That rejection gave us a big heads up that this area is going to be well defended. And when price finally came back up and tested it again, we wicked through it by a few ticks, maybe 2-3 ticks, and immediately failed right back down to another bearish trending candle. So it's just a gorgeous rejection of that area into where we wanted to hop in short here at 1183.5 down, which immediately came straight back down and filled our target here at 1181.6. So that overall trade, let me get this so I can draw correctly here. Set that to bar instead. From our target here at 1181.6 to our entry 83.5, we're looking at 19 ticks. Remember, we took 3 contracts short, so we're looking at a total of 57 ticks on the trade. Gorgeous trade, happened in under, I mean, we're looking at a 5-minute chart, and that happened all within, maybe a minute. It was a very, very fast fall down from there. Now, again, I'm not expecting us to go all the way down to these lows yet. I really think that we're probably going to get another pullback first, maybe a few bullish candles here to come back and retest this area just under here where we had a few double bottoms, triple bottom actually, and then we'll most likely reject out of that location back down to the lows again to give that final test here at 79.9. So that's why I'm looking to get out a little bit earlier. If you are looking to hold, this would be a trade that I really wouldn't be looking to move my stop to break even. I would take a portion off, leave my stop back up here and give it some wiggle room because it's probably going to come back a little ways here before it makes its way back down again. But overall, that's going to be the trade for today. Really fast one, and those are the kinds that I love. 57 ticks, $570 on the trade on a gorgeous, in this case, I guess you could call it a quadruple top rejection, but more so just a triple top than anything else. So that's going to be the trade for today. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade, and don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. Have a good one. Bye.